Okay, based on feedback from the birthday party that we did yesterday, here are the changes that we've made to this editor. Now, the first thing we've done is we've colorized the braces. We notice that kids struggle distinguishing curly braces and curved braces, parentheses, so we colorized those to make them more distinct for them so they can see, and we'll have the code examples match the colorization. The next thing that we've done is we have changed this editor from JavaScript to TypeScript. And what that means is it catches a class of errors that it wasn't catching before. Let me show you something here. So here's the Caldarium spell. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you what the IntelliSense can do. So Magic Caldarium. And I've got an error here. What's the error? Supplied parameters don't match the signature. You've got to give it some ingredients in here. Ingredients. Okay, cool. Some kind. There we go. Now we've got two types of linting going on. This is the TypeScript linting in Monaco. This here is Babel transpilation linting happening in the background. Let me show you what happens with this. So we've got a const at the top, magic. Now if I try to redefine magic, it's 3. Okay, here's the TypeScript error. Cannot assign it to magic because it is a constant or read-only property. And the Babel linting says magic is read-only. Now Babel and TypeScript are both catching the same two classes of error here. Now here's a type of error that Babel doesn't catch, and that we introduced TypeScript for this very reason. I saw one of the kids do this yesterday. Now this doesn't get caught by a JavaScript linter because it's dynamic and there's no concept of scope, so for all Babel knows, this is something in the global scope. But TypeScript is complaining because it doesn't exist. It's a spelling error. Very simple mistake to make, very difficult for the kids to debug. The editor now catches that error for them. And they don't get an error for this magic up here, or Magikcraft.io, because of the IntelliSense that we populate the editor with. You know, and it populates it with the various different laws that they have in their spellbook. They get added to the, so you got Declaro, Dixit, Nox Vita, Exaltus. So there you go. Colorization through themes and TypeScript linting to catch spelling errors in variable names.